Hello friends, my topic is type of elements in periodic table. The study of properties of elements shows that there are four types of elements in periodic table. First, main group element, second, inert or noble gas element, third is transition element, and fourth is inner transition element. On the basis of valence orbital, electrons are filling up of electron in s, p, d and f orbital. Periodic table consists of four blocks of element, that is s block element, second p block element, third is a d block element, and fourth is f block element. Main group or representative element, S and P block element. Then first is main group element is S and P block element. The element of main group or representative element have incompletely filled S and P orbital is called as S block element. The general electronic configuration of S block is ns1 and ns2. N principal quantum number. The alkali metal and alkaline earth metal, while p block element contain third A and 6A and 0 group element. The second, transition element or D block element. In this periodic table, the scandium to HS is the transition element. It consists of the 10 group, third B, 2, 7B, 7th IB and IIB. This element has incomplete n-1 d subshell, and general electronic configuration of transition element is n-1 d1 to 10 ns1 or 2. All transition elements are metals. These elements have three series of element and fourth one is incomplete. The first transition metal series from scandium 21 to zinc 30. Second transition metal series from Y39 to CD48. And third transition metal series from La57 to hafnium 72 to Hg80. The fourth transition metal series is incomplete starting from actinium 89. The second is the inner transition element F block. These elements have incomplete n-2 F subshell, and general electronic configuration is n-2 F1 to 14 n-1 D 1 or 0 ns2. There are two series of inner transition element. One is as lanthanide series from Selenium 58 to Lutetium 71, and second is called as actinide series from TH90 to LW109. Then alkali metals. The alkali metal have a general electronic configurations Ns. It consists the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and general electronic configuration is Ns1. Thank you.